We are going to demonstrate you the autonomous mining vehicle. We begin by opening our customized ground control station, where the vehicle is connected and armed. From the GCS, we plot the waypoints, switch between manual and autonomous modes, and use the emergency stop for immediate manual takeover. Now you are able to see there are two views. Vehicle camera view and the GCS interface are displayed side by side. Now you are going to see the third view. Once the autonomous mode is enabled, the vehicle follows the pre-planned path using GPS-based localization and maintaining high accuracy with minimal deviation. Now, for this test, what we have done an experiment is the white line is taken as the reference base path. The mission is planned such that the vehicle moves within the white line position exactly between the two wheels. During the autonomous operation, the vehicle follows this center reference with centimeter level accuracy, maintaining precise alignment and showing no noticeable deviation along the path. You can now see the results as the vehicle reaches the white line and centers it between the two wheels. It demonstrates centimeter level navigation accuracy by following the path precisely without any deviations. Now, in our vehicle, we are using a Jetson platform and a stereo depth camera to detect obstacles in real time. When an obstacle is identified, the vehicle applies smooth braking to safely stop and avoid collisions. Once the obstacle is cleared, the vehicle automatically resumes the planned path and continues autonomous navigation until the mission is completed. In the video of testing, you can see the vehicle is encountering 3 obstacles. Each time an obstacle is detected, the system stops the vehicle and switches to the hold mode. After the obstacle is cleared, the vehicle automatically switches back to the autonomous mode and continues navigation along the planned path. Finally, from this video, what you observed is that vehicle follows the planned path with high precision using the white line as a center reference between the wheels. The customized ground control station allows waypoint planning, mode switching, and emergency stop for immediate manual takeover and critical situations. During the test, the Jetson and the stereo depth camera detect obstacles, apply smooth braking, and switch to hold mode when needed. After obstacles are cleared, the vehicle automatically resumes to autonomous mode and continues the navigation till the end of the point. Overall, the vehicle demonstration is safe, reliable, and centimeter level accurate autonomous operation.